Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the windows+shift+s shortcut for the snipping tool not working on your Windows 11 computer. And now, let's get started. If the windows+shift+s shortcut for the snipping tool is not functioning on your Windows 11 system, we can resolve this by accessing the application's settings. First, locate the Windows search bar, which is typically found at the bottom of your screen. Type Snipping Tool into the search bar and press Enter. Once the Snipping Tool application appears in the search results, click on the small download pointing arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select App Settings. Within the App Settings window, scroll down until you find the Terminate button. Click on Terminate to stop the snipping tool process. After terminating, you will see a Repair button. Click on Repair and allow the system to repair the application. If repairing the snipping tool does not resolve the shortcut issue, we can proceed with resetting the application. Locate the Reset button and click on it. The system will then reset the snipping tool to its default settings. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.